Cenobog and telehandlers are the ideal machines for demanding applications. The A35G Hybrid and 355E models precisely set new standards for efficient scrap, wood, and port handling, thanks to the Green Hybrid Regeneration System, which is now also available in this machine class. You save up to 30% on fuel. These machines are, in fact, multifunctional tools that can handle both common telehandler tasks and complex material handling operations. Here, for example, in this video, we see these loaders pile sugar beets into a pile and then load them onto barges. Together, they are capable of handling 270,000 tons of sugar beets during the beet campaign, delivering fuel savings and reduced CO2 emissions, thanks to Green Hybrid's regenerative technology. The unique feature of the model that is the object of our interest today is that during operation, it can completely submerge in water. Only the exhaust pipe remains on the surface. This underwater bulldozer will be an excellent solution for companies that perform road construction and repair activities regularly, are engaged in the laying of channels, as well as mining of minerals from the subsoil covered by the water column. By the way, the bulldozer is controlled remotely. If you thought that sowing corn was boring, get ready to be amazed. The John Deere DB120 with 48 rows and a 120-foot width makes corn sowing in Michigan a real spectacle. This giant planter can cover so much land that you wouldn't even dream of. Its powerful discs and precise system allow you to quickly and efficiently sow large areas, as if unloading a giant green carpet with just a few movements. With such a beauty in the field, any farmer becomes a true harvest hero. Canada's specialized search and rescue SAR teams regularly risk their lives by relying on aircraft to overcome serious challenges in hazardous weather and dangerous terrain. The demands on Canadian SAR aircraft are well documented, from challenging mountain contour searches, storms in the Arctic and North Atlantic, to extreme temperatures, icing, and precipitation. The C-295, built by Airbus and selected for the National Aircraft Search and Rescue Program, is ideally suited for those missions. This video is an exclusive inside and outside tour of the latest generation of the versatile aircraft that Canada recently welcomed to its fleet. The CAT 630 hydraulic mining excavator is a favorite of the company's customers, and for good reason, we have to admit. It delivers the highest engine power in its class, as well as the mobility and flexibility needed for a 300-ton machine to deliver the performance expected and reliably required. In fact, the 630 is the only excavator in its class with 2 engines that are Tier 4 final compliant, eliminating the need for diesel exhaust fluid, DEF, and saving time and money in maintenance. What do you think about the Steer AS14? You probably didn't even know it was a powerful machine with up to 50 horsepower, designed to handle tough conditions. With the optional Steer scraper bucket mounted on the 939 Fendt Vario, it picks up 494 cubic feet of material in just 15 seconds, while a 23-ton excavator with a 49.4 cubic foot bucket would take more than 3 minutes to operate. With a steer-trailed scraper and a hauling range of 984 to 4,921 feet, it is 3 times more efficient than traditional methods. Ayos, this high-performance bandsaw really does cut wood quickly and accurately. As a professional construction hoist manufacturer, SYM Hoist and Tower Crane Equipment Company, Limited, is committed to providing the most complete, reliable, and valuable lifting solutions for every customer. That's why they created the XCA 600 all-terrain crane, which has a main boom length of 344 feet, and its performance is several times higher than products of the same tonnage class. This all-terrain crane is highly adaptable and can be used even in major wind turbine maintenance projects. The whole machine can carry the main boom, superlift, and heavy load transition, and can also pass through lower culverts, which is more suitable for urban construction. IC is the new autonomous tractor from AutoAgra. The autonomous tractor, or agricultural robot, can operate day and night, saving fuel and reducing operating expenses. Agreed, this is cool news. It also seems that the company's goal was to maximize efficiency to reduce the use of seed, fertilizer, and pesticides when operations are performed with precision in the best weather conditions. The world's largest all-terrain AT-120 from Ditch Witch was built to tackle the toughest jobs on the planet. With 120,000 pounds of pulling power and 15,500 foot-pounds of torque, this model opens you up to limitless types of work. Its all-terrain technology and 280 horsepower Cummins Stage 5 engine reduces environmental impact without sacrificing power. It has 50% more internal torque than its predecessor, giving the AT-120 extra power to drill even the toughest soils. The multi-purpose mine ambush armored recovery crane, M-Park, is based on the concept of independently suspended axles and a spatially robust frame. The new M-Park is an unrivaled crane of its kind with exceptional performance. All-wheel drive provides superior traction and mobility. The machine provides high protection against mines, IEDs, and kinetic energy munitions. 5-point safety belts, protection, fire, and explosion protection system, and specially designed seats create a safe environment for personnel. A conventional forklift will not be able to easily and safely move long and bulky loads around the yard. Often the operators who accompany these loads will have to be overhead to avoid obstacles. Staff safety would be much lower in such a case, and the risk of damage to goods, items would be greatly increased. The new combo lift concept, on the other hand, is based on a very efficient use of space. Thanks to the company's articulated multi-pass forklifts, as you can see on your screens, you can double the capacity of any warehouse. They excel at transporting the heaviest loads and handle various loading and unloading operations with oversized loads. Loading height reaches 13.1 feet, and the machine weighs 1,653.5 pounds with a width of 92.5 inches. Ravor's WRC model 1250 AC horizontal bandsaw is designed for cutting wood. The saw is equipped with hydraulic components and is easy to use. It does not require numerous personnel. The machine is equipped with an electric motor for lowering, lifting the saw, and its pleated main column. The Outlaw pump trailer is a high-performance unit that delivers increased efficiency and productivity. The 52-foot Outlaw is ready to easily handle pumping and mixing even the deepest lagoons, pits, and slurry storage areas. Among its distinct pluses are increased productivity and efficiency, extended reach and maneuverability, and easy transport and installation. 10-inch piping increases flow and/or reduces energy consumption. Engine configurations of 577 to 684 or more horsepower are available, allowing you to choose the power you need for your job. Pump 3,700 gallons per minute at agitation with 150 psi inlet pressure. In April 2016, the First Spiritualist Church of Springfield, built in 1887, began a new chapter in its history. To make way for the construction of the MGM Springfield Casino, this 3-story brick monument was moved 400 feet. Using 68 steel beams and 20 hydraulic jacks, specialists carefully lifted the building, after which it traveled to a new location on 14 Buckingham carts. This remarkable achievement demonstrates how technology can help preserve our cultural heritage. The A-frame, created by Elphinstone, is a low-maintenance trailer with less dead weight. It has no slots or pull pins, but pole repositioning can be easily adjusted. Elphinstone's unique design allows the vehicle to not only slide, but also pivot, which reduces stress on the A-frame, pull front, and pull hitch. The folding rear mudguards have replaceable nylon bushings, and the hinges, stretchable mudguards, and fully enclosed suspension provide superior protection for cables, air lines, and brake parts, making cleanup easier and reducing road spray and mud on logs. This cargo equipment will fit into any truck and can be changed from truck to truck without modifications. Meet the Hexatram. Yes, the same truck that can pull 6 trailers at a time between farms, loading heavy timber. The huge Salmar platform for offshore fishing farming is an engineering marvel with a volume of 8 million cubic feet and a height of 226 feet. This platform is a real skyscraper in the world of fish farming, creating ideal conditions for fish growth. Salmar uses the latest technologies to ensure the maximum comfort and health of its inhabitants. Imagine an aquarium the size of a small town where fish swim in a safe and optimal environment. Thank you for watching Megatech. Owning a set of jacks gives you many advantages. One of the most important is that you can better plan your work, since you no longer rely on outside contractors. High crane rental rates are no longer an issue. Use the jacks to lift containers up to 70,500 pounds wherever and whenever you want. This product is designed and tested for heavy loads. It easily lifts both empty containers and heavy containers filled to the top. Container jacks are ready to ship worldwide. This is a front loader with an APS 2500 engine with a rated power of 55 kilowatts and a rated speed of 2400 RPM. The machine has a hydraulic torque converter, water-cooled mode. On the plus side, it has a braking system with hydraulic sliding brakes on all 4 wheels. It comes with a pallet fork, log grapple, crocodile bucket, snowblower, sweeper, concrete mixer, and straw grapple. So, as you can see for yourself, this is really a very versatile piece of equipment that you're sure to find a use for in any line of work. Dump trucks with loading and unloading platforms are the perfect solution for companies involved in the transportation of various bulk and liquid cargoes, such as flour, feed, potatoes, and other root crops. Thanks to a specially adapted platform, these dump trucks can quickly and efficiently load and unload large volumes of materials, minimizing manual labor and speeding up the cargo handling process. This approach not only reduces logistics time, but also significantly decreases the likelihood of product damage during transportation. Introducing the K67H from CFIA, your new high-rise friend in the world of concrete. This concrete pump can deliver your concrete to a height of 220 feet without unnecessary words and complexities. Probably the most reliable guy in any construction crew. Looking for a way to lay concrete on high floors? Forget old methods. The K67H does it in no time, providing up to 210 cubic yards per hour. Your construction neighbors will be green with envy as your project rises faster than their astonishment. When it comes to rail solutions, Hydrema becomes the true star of the show. The company's specialists offer not just equipment, but a true multifunctional solution for railway work. Hydrema models are not only light and maneuverable, but also equipped with features such as hybrid technology and the ability to work in extremely confined conditions. You can be sure that with Hydrema, many rail projects will transform from tedious to exciting, turning every workday into an efficient adventure on wheels and rails. The RTH 13.26 is the most powerful rotating telehandler in the world. It has a maximum lift capacity of 85 feet and can lift loads up to 28,600 pounds. When the machine is only partially stabilized, the overall design provides a better load diagram on each side. And when the stabilizers are fully extended, they allow the machine to operate at full height for more than 360 degrees, allowing it to be held on a much wider stabilizing base. It is compatible with a wide range of accessories thanks to its RFID system, which allows it to automatically recognize attachments and create dynamic load charts. This telehandler is the ideal solution for numerous requirements in the construction and manufacturing sector. Here is the Xylochip Model 200T branch chipper from Robot, which works with a maximum wood size of up to 7.8 inches. Adaptation takes place on a 3-point linkage of a tractor from 75 to 150 horses. There is a shaft with a slip clutch for PTO 1000 RPM. The shredder hopper can be easily folded thanks to the mechanical winch, which makes it quite a compact machine for transportation. The Technique is equipped with a 360-degree rotary blower with an adjustable cover by chain. On the plus side, you can adjust the speed of the feed rollers, which allows you to increase and decrease the chip size. There is a wide feed hopper, XL, with a safety bar on top to prevent untimely release of wood during processing. Looking for a way to make your soil perfect for new plantings? Then Prenoth Deep Rippers and Rotovators are at your service. These powerful machines, like the RF800 and RFL700, turn difficult plots into paradise for new plants. Working with Fendt and John Deere tractors, they swiftly remove roots and wood waste while enriching the soil with organic materials. Why not give your plants the best start by loosening and improving the soil so effectively that even your neighbors will envy? Imagine how quickly and easily you can get the job done with the AMI Attachment Side Dump Bucket. This side dump bucket is a godsend for any construction worker. Its 53 cubic foot capacity and ability to hold up to 2 tons allows it to handle large volumes of materials. And what about its ability to rotate 90 degrees? That means you'll be able to unload exactly where you need it. Even in the hardest to reach places, high-quality steel and powerful hydraulics guarantee durability and reliability. If there's one job on the farm that everyone struggles to do, it's certainly not picking up stones. It's a messy, labor-intensive task that never seems to end. And no matter how attentive the operator of a trailed or walking picker is, there will always be stones left in the field. The Quicker Picker is the first rotary rock picker to attach to the front of mini loaders with at least 60 horsepower. The 400 and 800 models are available. The 400 model, which can hold up to 900 pounds of rocks, has a drum length of 36 inches and a diameter of 30 inches. Not surprisingly, the 800 model offers increased both size and load capacity, holding up to 2,000 pounds and offering a drum length of 48 inches and a diameter of 36 inches. The Dymant 2000 convinces with the best shredding quality, off-road performance, and durability. It is driven by a permanent all-wheel drive system with independent hydromechanical drive on the 2 main axles. This means that even hill climbs or rough terrain can be easily traversed. The rotor, which is the heart of the chopper, has been continuously improved. The machine can produce chopped materials from 0.59 to 2.36 inches thick, and its blade holders are interchangeable. Thus, they adapt to different chopping materials and provide the best results with existing material. In the world of mini cranes, the Gecko XPX 650 is a true Olympic champion. With the ability to lift up to 14,300 pounds and a lifting height of up to 77 feet, this little helper is ready to take on challenges that seem insurmountable for other machines. Its specialty is working in spaces where every inch counts, making it the ideal choice for urban construction or indoor work. With the Gecko SPX 650, heavy tasks become more manageable than ever before. When it comes to rail solutions, Hydrema becomes the true star of the show. The company's specialists offer not just equipment, but a true multifunctional solution for railway work. Hydrema models are not only light and maneuverable, but also equipped with features such as hybrid technology and the ability to work in extremely confined conditions. You can be sure that with Hydrema, many rail projects will transform from tedious to exciting, turning every workday into an efficient adventure on wheels and rails. The feed bed of the Moorbark Model 6400 XT horizontal grinder has sloped sides and is 24 inches longer than previous Moorbark grinders with more than 1,000 horsepower. This configuration improves operator visibility for more efficient material loading. The Woodhog model comes standard with a removable return floor in the feed chain to dump excess material and reduce wear and tear. Weighing less than 96,500 pounds and measuring 11 feet 5.5 inches wide, this equipment model features a standard Caterpillar 325L undercarriage and a 23.5-inch dual ground track tracks. The Torsus Praetorian is the world's first heavy-duty 4x4 four-wheel drive heavy-duty bus. The Torsus is designed to transport personnel and equipment in harsh environments and locations where public roads are not available. Due to the use of the bus in harsh weather and road conditions, proven quality parts and components are used in production, from Michelin tires and Line-X ballistic coating to MAN engines and chassis. An amazing sight in the port of Rotterdam, the arrival of the largest semi-submersible crane vessel in the world, Sleipner. This engineering marvel impresses with its size and capabilities. Sleipner can lift loads up to 20,000 tons, making it indispensable for the most complex and large-scale projects in the marine industry. Watch as this giant vessel, 721 feet long and 344 feet wide, smoothly enters the port, ready for new feats and records. Beton block concrete blocks are very versatile and have many applications. They are ideal for partition walls, retaining walls, and trench silos, for example, in the waste management industry or in agriculture, but are also great for the construction of sheds and buildings. Concrete blocks are also widely used for safety reasons, such as road closures or flood protection. Beton block offers specialty concrete block molds, retaining wall molds, concrete slab molds, barrier molds, and tetrapod molds. And with dividers, sold separately, you only need one concrete block mold to produce different types of blocks. All molds are made of high-quality S355 structural steel and powder-coated for durability. Tiger Stone is a 236-inch wide paving machine that can be used to perfectly repair a street or road in one go. Tiger Stone also provides edge finishing immediately. In the end, the stones are immediately and tightly fixed between the curbs. The street or road can be finished in one go, and there will be no debris on the road. With the Tiger Stone machine, builders can pave at least 200 square meters of road per day, compared to one conventional paver that can pave 75 to 100 meters per day. Gore Concrete has created their perfect Bay Links foundation stone spreader, which is essential for handling large volumes of material daily. Such a large yet powerful machine definitely adds value to any business by delivering materials that save customers time and the cost of additional equipment and personnel. Plus, their innovative Bay Links product is backed by parts and service support. Look for this technological monster in action. Featuring a fully adjustable hydraulic rear wing and bed, this heavy-duty machine delivers the proven performance inherent in all Collier and Miller machines. The C&M channeler attachment is available to customers with a standard 9.8-foot bed configuration, or with the ability to be built to specific size requirements upon request. Maston Brook's unrivaled range includes groundbreaking innovations that deliver efficient, reliable, and cost-effective performance in various subsurface drainage applications, soil types, and groundwater levels. The new 4020 model, for example, was developed in response to global demand for a heavy-duty chain trencher that incorporates the latest technology for installation on drainage slopes with significantly greater efficiency and repeatability. Maximizing operator comfort and safety and staying ahead of stricter environmental standards are the main principles the manufacturer followed when creating the Model 4020 drainage plow. By the way, it runs plastic drainage pipes of varying diameters to a depth of 70 inches. And it has a Volvo Penta 4-stage diesel engine, rated at 315 kilowatt, 428 horsepower. With the new Vlex combined stroke robot Volair, the company offers the optimal solution for shunting operations for moving freight wagons up to 600 tons, as well as in streetcar and metro depots. The 100% electric robot has a clean drive concept with high power, which provides real power and durability. With a powerful efficiency of 96%, 4 individually controlled wheel hub motors with peak torque of up to 4,000 Newton-meters ensure reliable maneuvering processes and optimum power transmission on road and rail. Spring-loaded multi-disc brakes acting on all wheels keep the rail vehicle reliably stationary. Welcome to the world of powerful machinery with the John Deere 8R and the Samson Gulafas PG2. This duo is the perfect choice for modern farmers. With the powerful engines of the John Deere 8R and the spacious Gulafas PG2, you can easily handle any liquid fertilizer application task. The 118-foot boom allows you to cover vast areas in one pass, saving you time and effort. Imagine this equipment transforms the most labor-intensive work into a quick and efficient solution. If cars had an Olympics, the Converse C10s would definitely take gold in the three-wheeled race. This three-wheeled self-propelled machine is a true athlete among landscape maintenance devices. It goes through narrow passageways and climbs steep slopes like a parkourist. No wonder it can do aerobatics where others only dream of a chance to pass. Ideal for working in hard-to-reach places, whether it's maintaining parks or cleaning water bodies. Discover the mobile mixer from Holtzel AgroSystem, an indispensable tool for improving the performance of biogas units. This portable mixer is designed for the efficient mixing of organic materials in the containers of biogas plants, optimizing the fermentation process and increasing the output of biogas. With its help, you can easily manage mixing in various containers, providing flexibility and increasing the overall efficiency of production. This solution will be the key to increasing the production of renewable energy sources at your enterprise. Imagine a machine that turns concrete into powder. This is the X-Tech C12 Plus Jaw Crusher. This crusher is designed for maximum productivity and efficiency in processing concrete, stone, and other construction materials. With its robust construction and powerful engine, the X-Tech C12 Plus can handle even the toughest materials, reducing them to the desired size. Its versatility and ease of use make it an indispensable tool for any construction site, recycling center, or demolition project. The Volvo FMX can haul up to 200 tons in a single trip, which is truly impressive. And if we say that the truck was designed to handle heavy-duty applications, we're not fooled. It is also equipped with a 12-speed I-shift transmission and 2 additional super low gears. For such an iron monster, picked up the D13 engine, with a capacity of 540 horses, which retains power and at the same time provides the best ratio of economy, performance, and fuel consumption. The Spark 3 Troll, based on the HMM WV, is designed to clear the paths of military convoys of explosive hazards. It consists of 3 roller sections, 4 in the outermost section, and 6 in the center section. They provide contact with the surface, causing explosive objects to detonate as a result of the Troll's actions. The hydraulic suspension allows travel speeds of up to 31 miles per hour, but the adaptive device, through the use of hydraulic and air suspension, ensures continuous surface contact. The rollers are made of an explosion-proof polyurethane compound, which increases the Troll's survivability. Experience and tests prove that the Troll can withstand an explosion of 26 pounds of TNT equivalent explosives. John Deere, the world's largest manufacturer of agricultural machinery, has presented a new prototype of an electric tractor. It appears that the company intends to revolutionize the world of agricultural machinery. The tractor, named Sesame, is equipped with 130 kilowatt-hour batteries and surpasses all modern agricultural machinery by its quietness. You have to agree, but it looks no less impressive. The Husky Emotion electric snowmobile features a modern cabin design, an entirely new look, and 0 emissions. It is now in series production. The electric motor develops 245 horsepower and 1,000 nanometers of torque right from the start. Only an electric rat trap can deliver such performance. The maximum operating time is 3 hours. In a rural region of the United Kingdom, or more precisely in the southwest of England, the telecommunications company Wessex Internet has begun work on laying internet cables to connect rural communities to the network. Of course, the best helper for her in this difficult business was the company manufacturer Vermeer, which created its RTX machine just for such purposes. How does it work and what did it do? See for yourself. With the Piston Bully Model 100E, Koss Bohr has taken its first all-electric vehicle to the snow. It is preferably off-road because this is where the electric drive concept can best show its strengths. The hydrostatic drive and tiller drive have been replaced by 3 electric motors. This ensures direct power transmission and an increase in efficiency of around 100%. Compared to a central electric motor, this means a 20% increase in range per charging cycle. The Vermeer horizontal grinder you're seeing on your screens right now is built for land clearing and pipeline work, and features a powerful track-mounted engine and compact design. With 950 horsepower, or 708 kilowatts, in the 92,000-pound class and a feed design designed specifically to feed larger materials such as whole trees and large stumps, the new chipper is built to handle hard materials with less operator intervention. When you need to dig a deep and strong foundation pit, the Komatsu PC-1250 is the way to go. This excavator doesn't just dig, it performs miracles. With its powerful engine and teeth that can literally tear through any soil, you can create concrete walls or drainage ditches with precision. When it comes to digging slurry walls, the Komatsu PC-1250 demonstrates its power by overcoming even the hardest grounds with jerks. Look at this beast and forget about difficulties. With the Komatsu PC-1250, everything is possible. Big Float is an innovative and unique pontoon-tracked undercarriage that turns your excavator into an amphibious machine. Some call it a swamp walker or a floating excavator. It's all the same thing. Thanks to the Rimu Pontoon undercarriage, your excavator can work in the toughest conditions. In soft ground or shallow water, floating excavators on pontoon chassis are often the most efficient machines. Large floats can also be driven on hard ground, and with additional equipment, they can operate safely in open water. The PackMat PK404 is a mobile compacting machine that allows compacting all types of waste into open skips with a capacity of 30 meters cubed and more, as well as moving equipped skips with a maximum weight of up to 10 tons. PackMat PK404 is a roller compactor consisting of a frame made of welded profiles and equipped with a hydraulically driven roller weighing 2.3 tons. This model has 3 wheels, which means that the machine has a small turning radius, so it can work even on the smallest sites. The self-propelled machine provides compaction of all types of waste in open skips with a length of 251 inches and a maximum height of 104 inches, and skip reloading at a suitable site. 2 feet wide, allowing it to handle vessels weighing up to 10,000 tons. Drivers value the machine for its stability, mobility, and comfort, making the Cenoboggan 870E the ideal choice to enhance work on both berths. When you need to transport mountains of materials and even standard dump trucks seem like toys, the Balaz 75710 comes to the rescue. This giant dump truck, the largest in the world, boasts a payload capacity of 496 tons and a curb weight of 360 tons. With nearly 13-foot-high wheels and a body over 23 feet long, it comfortably handles any load volume. This is not just a machine, but a whole transportation ecosystem, capable of handling the most complex tasks. The Mobile Splitter X2 is used by Maxwell GmbH for the preparation of excavated soil and loamy material. The sturdy chain cart is ideal for working on uneven ground. With its stable and sturdy screen deck, the Twin Wave Splitter X2 is simply ideal for working with heavy and sticky material. Flexible adjustment options ensure reliable material flow throughout the entire process. The use of modern motor technology ensures the throughputs of up to 200 tons per hour. Guess what? You're looking at the Wolf 8000 wheel trencher, a true engineering legend in the world of construction. This wheel trencher sets new standards for pipe laying with its ability to do the job with amazing precision and speed. The Wolf 8000 digs smoothly and quickly to a predetermined depth, allowing the work team to easily place pipes exactly where they need to be. This process is not only more efficient, but also significantly simplified, making this trencher an indispensable aid for all construction and utility jobs. Have you ever wondered how huge ships end up on land? The Marine Travel Lift A20C at De Haas Shipyard BV in Rotterdam, Netherlands, makes it easy. With its 820-ton lifting capacity and 49-foot lift height, this monster can lift the largest ships like children's toys. What about its 82-foot length and powerful engine that make this hoist a true master of maneuvers? The hydraulic control system ensures precise and smooth movements to avoid even the slightest damage. The PA19001 bridge inspection device embodies Palfinger's many years of experience in the manufacture of hydraulic loading cranes and lifting platforms. The wide working range above railroad level enables work on high cable supports and special bridge structures. The third jib system can be dismantled, allowing it to be used for various crane operations. The multifunctional device is ideal for municipal authorities and various institutions that are constantly faced with a wide range of tasks. Discover a new level of productivity with a Euro mount front loader that commands attention with its unique look and sophisticated functionality. This loader is equipped with a third circuit drive with a power of 50 liters per minute and is capable of precise and clean cutting of wood thanks to the bandsaw. Adjustable cutting lengths of up to 19.7 inches and a maximum wood length of 66.9 inches allows you to process even large batches. With an outstanding cutting speed of approximately 90 seconds per bundle, the machine can process approximately 10 bundles per hour. Impressive, isn't it? Friends, meet Volvo's new state-of-the-art log loader, the L200H high lift model. Compared to its predecessor, this machine is distinguished by its improved key features, such as 12.2-ton capacity, a larger grapple equipped with a stronger rotator that reduces pendulum motion during operation. In addition, first-class LED lighting provides improved visibility, and a collision avoidance system enhances safety, a critical aspect of log yard wood handling for Hasslatcher and its operators. In front of you is a new machine from the company Luff, which according to the manufacturer's idea, has its own purpose. The rescue vehicle you see now on your screens is capable of evacuating conspicuous or burning electric cars from narrow parking lots. A remote-controlled vehicle allows emergency vehicles to remove cars from underground parking garages from a safe distance. Depending on the lifting method, vehicles weighing up to 3.2 tons can be lifted. The machine's track chassis distributes the forces evenly over the ground. The SE200G can be optimally used on trucks with a minimum gross vehicle weight of 10 tons. Due to the ease of use of the equipment, it is suitable for vehicle recovery and transportation. The special design of the unit consists of a tilting and removable platform with the possibility of 190 degrees rotation, allowing the recovery of vehicles in situations with limited maneuvering space, as well as facilitating lifting over fences, ditches, and falls. A hydraulic winch, if required in the mobile version with hydraulic control, facilitates the loading of particularly damaged vehicles. The Dutchman 30-degree tapered tree shovel, available in models from 330 to 600, model 420 is shown in the video, is ideal for digging up trees with tap roots or in sandy soil. The shovel is almost completely enclosed at the bottom, minimizing soil loss. However, due to the pointed shape, the resulting root clods are less stable and balanced. It is the ideal compact shovel for small to medium-sized loaders. This unit digs from 34 inches to 20 inches. The weight of the inner frame is approximately 1,450 pounds. The new generation of Dynapack rollers demonstrate higher maneuverability and productivity. The new model CA30 is equipped with the most modern solutions, which ensures maximum operational safety and fuel economy. The powerful Dynapack roller is equipped with a unique overcompaction alarm system, which helps to prevent premature breakdowns. The new generation machine is equipped with a transverse engine, which is used in similar class machines. This type of engine provides excellent availability of components and full comfort of service maintenance. The Hamar Side Loader A Advanced Chassis is a unique and incredibly versatile chassis from Hamar. Made from 3 telescopic chassis parts and sliding cranes, it can change the position of the cart and optimize the weight distribution of the load. This means it can be optimized for both 2- and 3-axle trucks, as well as for different size containers. SlatTrack's temporary roads require fewer crew members and less effort than comparable plastic ground protection mats or plywood sheets. SlatTrack's temporary roads can be used on grass, turf, sand, and hard landscaping. For any surface you can use ground protection mats or plywood, or the new alternative, SlatTracks. Among the major pluses is the real possibility of deploying or reclaiming 100 feet of roadway in minutes. Plus, with a machine like this, the number of crew members per job can be significantly reduced. Discover Tree Crusher highlights, where old 16mm film comes to life, presenting Tree Crusher, the masterful work of engineer R.G. Letourneau. Filmed in the 1950s, this footage captures moments of testing one of the first of its kind tree crushing machines, a machine designed to overcome the toughest challenges in logging. It demonstrates the amazing power and foresight of technological innovation. The Overossen UTV 445 UTV 550 Performance Line snowplow has been designed for high performance and economy. The snowplows are ideal for working on the most difficult mountain passes, clearing snowdrifts and widening roads. Thanks to their 2-stage snow removal system, these machines are capable of clearing any type of snow in all weather conditions. The machine has the main advantages of compact and powerful design, high clearing capacity, good spreading performance, economy, and operational flexibility. The snowplow is designed to be used in combination with front loaders, with a total capacity of 20 to 25 tons. One of the most interesting wheel loaders today is the new XC9350. It is electrically driven with the largest lifting capacity, energy recovery, energy saving, and high efficiency. This model weighs about 150 tons with an 18-meter bucket. The electric drive loader is described as the best choice to support 130 to 200 tons of mining dump trucks. It is mainly used for open pit mining, where there is transportation over short distances for loading. It is equipped with an electronically controlled direct flow hydraulic system, load sensor, steering system, and energy-saving technology. The System 001 is a true giant among irrigation systems. With its help, you can quickly and efficiently irrigate vast fields, ensuring uniform soil moisture. The long water spraying system covers a wide area in one pass, significantly reducing the time and effort needed to water large areas. This machine will become an indispensable assistant for farmers striving to increase the yield of their lands without unnecessary costs and maintaining the environmental sustainability of their farms. A historic event occurred on May 24, 2023. The American aircraft carrier USS Gerald R. Ford arrived in Norway for the first time in more than 60 years. This visit emphasized the importance of the partnership between the USA and Norway. USS Gerald R. Ford departed Norfolk on May 2nd, carrying out its first global mission through the English Channel and the North Sea. On board this technological giant are 4,500 crew members and 90 aircraft and helicopters. The arrival of the ship in Oslo was a significant event, highlighting the power and capabilities of the modern American fleet. How about turning time-consuming work into an easy task? The Boxer 385D mini skid steer from Morbark is the perfect helper for just the purpose. With a 40-horsepower engine, this mini skid steer is ready to tackle any task, from digging to loading. It's so maneuverable and compact, you'll be able to get into even the tightest of spaces. Want to know the secret of its success? The hydrostatic transmission and joystick control system make its handling a dance. Fast 2K is the fast and convenient way to complete your fence. One 2.5-pound, 33.8-ounce bag replaces 80 to 100 pounds of concrete. Fast 2K eliminates the mess of mixing and having to lug around heavy bags of traditional concrete. With Fast 2K, there is no mess. No water is required, and it hardens in just minutes. Fast 2K will make your project faster and easier. With this new design, there is no need for a base or saddle to secure the post. Fast 2K becomes waterproof after installation. It expands immediately after mixing and holds the post in 3 to 5 minutes. Many tests have shown that this new product has proven to be as effective as concrete for load-bearing structures. Etnire's extendable Black Hawk trailers transform the concept of efficiency in transportation. Thanks to a unique hydraulic system, they extend up to 26 feet, doubling their length without requiring extra effort. Capable of supporting 35 to 65 tons, they are ideal for transporting heavy equipment. Their low-profile design ensures stability and safety, making these modern trailers indispensable for various applications. Mobis, a Swiss automotive engineering company, revolutionized wood transportation in 2020 with the creation of a folding trailer. This invention is equipped with hydraulic ratchets, a coupling pin, and stabilizers, allowing it to be easily and quickly folded onto a tow vehicle in less than 2 minutes. This approach not only reduces road tax expenses by eliminating the need to pay for wasted trips, but also significantly reduces road space footprint, helping to reduce congestion and improve overall transport efficiency. I know exactly what you're about to do. You're about to discover the powerful giant machines of AccuCut Concrete Services, equipped with an impressive 91-inch diamond blade. It's all about the specialized equipment, complete with a patented skid steer saw that was used to meticulously cut the Pinellas Bayway Bridge in Florida. And one thing is for sure, Giant's performance and precision allow the most demanding jobs to be completed with unparalleled accuracy and efficiency, demonstrating the true capabilities of modern construction technology. The appearance of the Komatsu D475A bulldozer on the construction site is always an event. Thanks to Al Marwin machinery, this giant is ready to take on the toughest tasks. Filling embankments or clearing space for a new building? For the D475A, it's a breeze. This powerful bulldozer not only has impressive strength, but also remarkable maneuverability for its size. With the Komatsu D475A, your construction site will become a place where tasks are completed quickly, efficiently, and with maximum precision. Watch the load lifting reach new heights with the XCMG XGC 88,000, one of the most powerful crawler cranes in the world. This colossus can lift loads up to 4,000 tons, providing incredible performance on the largest construction projects, including oil platform erection and bridge installation. With a maximum lifting height of up to 712 feet and a working radius of up to 331 feet, the XGC 88,000 is the ideal choice for tasks requiring exceptional power and precision. You see the Flat Cat Equipment Trailer, a new trailer for various equipment. Belmont Trailers believes this model allows trailer owners to move more easily, quickly, and safely load and transport equipment. That can be a problem today. This includes equipment that has poor or no traction, low ground clearance, and equipment that has difficulty climbing ramps or elevated decks. The Flat Cat trailer's unique hinge platform design makes it easy to load and transport all types of equipment, including man elevators, scissor elevators, roller compactors, and even pallet jacks. Additionally, the Flat Cat is ideal for transporting low-profile vehicles, such as classic and vintage cars. The Mechlift forklift model, ML1612R, is a unique machine, the only forklift with a lifting capacity of 16 to 18 tons that can easily drive into a standard container and moves quickly in confined spaces such as warehouses and marine vessels. Mechlift's various attachments expand the possibilities of using a single machine for different purposes. It can stack 20-foot containers in 3 tiers. The hydraulically raised cab provides excellent visibility for the operator, even when handling large loads. With this forklift, you have more space and better visibility, which has a positive effect on the safety of the load itself. The problem of waste has a global scale and requires new approaches to its solution. One of them may well be the reuse of waste in various spheres, including road construction. Plastic roads are created from recycled materials, household waste, disposable dishes, bottle caps, straws, plastic furniture, and so on. It is also a great solution in favor of reducing the use of asphalt, which saves natural resources. Another plus is that greenhouse gas emissions are 30 tons less when making roads from plastic, because 10% of bitumen is replaced with recycled plastic. All in all, profitable and very practical. Cleantech Infra provides their customers with mechanized treatment tools for water body remediation. Their technologically advanced harvester boats are designed to remove aquatic weeds from lakes, collecting float debris from rivers, desalinize and remove sediments from drains, channels, and corrective dredging for river flood protection. These heavy-duty workboats are very effective in controlling underwater, overwater, and free-floating vegetation. The powerful and stable RT-125 heavy-duty trencher from Popular Ditch Witch is a true all-terrain machine that clearly deserves your attention. Its solid undercarriage, superior quad-track system, and 3-speed transmission with shiftable gears allows you to tackle any job site challenge. A comfortable operator's workstation with ergonomic swivel seat and control panel with increased legroom allows for increased productivity. With the RT-125, there's no stopping you. The PowerScreen H6203 horizontal sieve is a machine that is perfect for handling large volumes of sticky and non-sticky materials, as well as the accurate sizing of bulk materials required in many construction contracts. This model is equipped with a new recirculating rotary conveyor for oversized products. The conveyor is used to return material back to the feeder. The technique is ideal for applications such as natural and crust aggregate, coal, iron ore, recycled concrete, and asphalt. The BMM 410 is a fully automatic mobile clay brick making machine from SNPC Machines India. The new BMM 410 is a mobile, portable machine that gives the freedom to produce clay or mud bricks anytime, anywhere, and in any quantity. The raw material required for the BMM 410 mobile brick making machine is clay, mud, or a mixture of clay and fly ash. The LR 1500 crawler crane is a simple, powerful, and compact unit for any construction site. Thanks to the main lifting mechanism, it is possible to move the crane with a lifted load up to a maximum lifting capacity of 500 tons. At the same time, the dimensions of this cool machine are quite compact, like a 400-ton crane. All parts weigh up to 45 tons and are no more than 9.8 feet wide, which means there are no limitations to transporting this crawler monster around the world. Thanks to the matching counterweight cart, it can move right along with the load on the hook without any problems. Another big plus is the quickly installed center ballast made of several concrete elements. The upper part forms a secure platform for the counterweight cart. Only the highest quality tools and equipment are suitable for your Unimog, and Mulag has been producing superior high-performance and innovative technology for road and rail maintenance for many years. In addition to curb mowers and slope mowers, with or without a grass collection system, up to a 25.5-foot reach, Mulag has introduced an equipment combination that includes 3 units mounted on the same vehicle for simultaneous use. All powerful booms can be outfitted with a multitude of working attachments for year-round roadside repair and roadside maintenance operations. And how such equipment works, you can see for yourself. The NOAQ Boxwall BW52 is an independent and self-anchoring mobile flood protection barrier that can hold back water up to 50 centimeters high. And for completeness, the barrier block's weighs up to a meter high. Its lightweight means it can be quickly set up to protect buildings and other objects from water, as well as clearing roads. The barrier is designed for use on fairly flat surfaces such as paved roads, lawns, and tight sidewalks. Each individual box consists of blocking, anchoring, and sealing parts. The barrier is built by connecting each box with the previous one, forming a kind of chain. It is better to move from left to right when installing. The newest version of Maggia Automatic is a machine with an automatically folding canopy, which is designed to work in orchards with any arrangement of trees in a row. This technique guarantees almost 100% efficiency of harvesting and preservation of high quality of harvested fruit. Harvesting with this machine is performed by shaking fruits and berries, thanks to a shaker on the canopy extended under the tree. Car transportation in a covered car carrier is an incredibly reliable method of transportation that stands out from other options. This kind of car shipping eliminates the risk of mechanical damage to the paintwork and windows, as well as the development of corrosion, which is not always possible to avoid in the process of transportation by sea or other alternative methods. So, if you want to protect your vehicle, now you know exactly where to turn. Meet the true giant among soil compactors, BOMOG. These machines are the gold standard for everyone involved in excavation and mineral waste management. The BOMOG model BC773EB5 compactor will not only improve your job site efficiency, but will also make every process more economical, allowing you to achieve up to a 10% increase in productivity over conventional bulldozers. The operator quickly becomes immersed in the comfort of the intuitive cab, with 5 displays and a multi-function joystick that make operating the machine simple and efficient without extensive training. The R9800 mining excavators combines adaptability with high productivity. Depending on customer preference, this machine model is available with a Cummins or Liebherr diesel engine. An electro-hydraulic version of the excavator is also available. When paired with a T264, T274, or T284 dump truck, the R9800 is a cost-effective and highly efficient solution for various large-scale mining projects. Chemrock continues to innovate in the field of excavator milling attachments, which have already proven themselves in various applications, from demolition to tunnel construction. With the new cut and break tool, Chemrock offers a revolutionary solution for quarries where traditional drilling and blasting is no longer feasible. This method, which uses a cutting wheel to create the grooves and a special tool to separate the rock from the face, allows rock to be mined with minimal noise and vibration, making it ideal for working in environmentally sensitive areas. The De Bruin Chopper Roller is a simple, heavy-duty machine designed as a single roller, or as a tandem with a width of 9.8 feet. In fact, this is the machine we are seeing on our screens right now. This machine has been involved in farmland preparation and land management for many years, as well as some of the largest landscaping jobs around the world. The mulcher actually adds to the profitability of companies that use such machines, and you can see for yourself how the De Bruin Chopper Roller works. Meet the newest Wolf DW630 dewatering machine. This impressive model features a powerful 630 horsepower CAT C18 engine, allowing it to lay pipes up to 8 inches in diameter to a depth of 19 feet. Tests have shown how the machine performs in real-world conditions, demonstrating its reliability and performance. Now, friends, just check out the field footage of the DW630 to see it in action and appreciate the efficiency and accuracy of pipe laying and dewatering conditions. The Berkman Model 2040 R4-ton dump truck with swivel body is extremely robust, economical, and has excellent off-road handling. The floating rear axle ensures constant contact with the ground, making it extremely maneuverable and stable. The driver is always fully aware of the condition of his Berkman tipper. If, for example, there is a risk of tipping on its side, the driver is warned in advance. This creates a much higher level of safety than in a conventional vehicle, with floating suspension in the center section. The Hysoon HY380 mini loader is a versatile, reliable, yet affordable machine. The unloading height allows you to work with small and medium tonnage trucks, and all-wheel drive allows you to move in any conditions. It is equipped with various attachments, which allows you to solve almost any tasks related to construction, private farming, agricultural activities, etc. The mini loader is equipped with high-quality components, which makes it unpretentious and stable in operation. With HY380, you can not only accomplish your tasks, but also enjoy the pleasure of working with an efficient, powerful, and comfortable machine. Of the new overground metro cars in Lisbon. As one of the key players in the European special transportation market, Leso Transports SA is always looking for reliable and technologically advanced trailers to develop its business. To meet the challenges of transporting rail vehicles, Leso uses 2 multi-max semi-trailers with rails built into the load platform and 6 steerable crank axles, reducing the loading height to just 29 inches. Both machines are equipped with a powerful hydraulic winch and special ramp arms for a smooth loading and unloading process. Imagine a vehicle that easily carries the wings of the future. Wind blades the length of a soccer field and weighing up to 35 tons. That's what Dole offers with its pioneering trailers for the wind energy industry. Forget the fear of high center of gravity and torque. These trailers are stable and safe at any speed. Loading? Faster than you can drink a cup of coffee. Maneuverability? Like an acrobat. Able to perform maneuvers with incredible precision thanks to hydraulic steering and a wide steering angle. Dole turns blade transport not into a chore, but into a masterclass of grace and engineering, showing that even the most monumental tasks can be accomplished with surprising ease and style. At only 2.4 feet wide and weighing 2.9 tons, it's the perfect machine for working in the tightest and hardest to reach places. Maneuverable and powerful, this spider crane lifts over 2.9 tons with a 28.5-foot telescopic boom to 41 feet of maximum height on the hook. The RPG 2900 is the highest level of performance in its category. With its compact size, track narrowing capability, and lightweight, this model is especially suited for smaller jobs where space is limited. And the main telescopic boom and auxiliary articulated top boom provide maximum maneuverability, even at medium heights. The TV1000 Plus Performance Line Snowplow is a self-propelled, high-speed snowplow designed for airport snow removal and capable of handling all types of snow from 3.2 to 6.5 feet deep. The snowplow is mounted on a purpose-built chassis and features a unique flying cab. This means that the cab is located behind the milling unit in the first position, but can be easily slid forward and on top of the milling unit for optimal visibility while working. The cab is not permanently fixed to the milling machine and is little affected by vibrations of all kind. The model is equipped with 2 diesel engines that provide the power needed to clear up to 8,500 tons of snow per hour. The SB4504 Airport Sweeper is the latest generation of VAMOS equipment that creates a whole new level of efficiency in snow removal. The combination of sweeper, plow, and blower gives maximum productivity even when operating at speeds above 37 miles per hour. The sweeper and blower features a quick-release plow and brush transport position for easy storage at any maintenance facility. The SB4504 Trailed Sweeper is a combination of futuristic design and innovative solutions. The BF120.4 Crushing Bucket is specially designed for crushing and all recycling operations of aggregates and quarries and dumps. This high-performance and versatile model has been able to win a special place in crushing on large-scale construction sites in the city and beyond in just a few years. This equipment is the ideal accessory for large crushing projects. It is suitable for excavators from 30 to 45 tons and guarantees high crushing performance on large urban and suburban construction sites. The Liber Mobile Bachmann MK140 is a crane that literally changes the horizons on the construction site. This mobile construction crane not only stands out for its power, but also for its amazing flexibility. With a maximum lifting capacity of up to 8 tons and a lifting height up to 94.4 meters, the MK140 is ideal for working in the confined spaces of urban environments. But the real trick is its compactness and speed of installation. Who'd have thought that such a giant could be incredibly mobile? The new VTN Crusher Bucket Crusher is an attachment designed to crush various materials directly on site. The unit is suitable for different working machines, excavators, backhoe loaders, telescopic and wheel loaders. The crusher has very compact and versatile dimensions, and is therefore suitable for all types of construction sites, in quarries, on landfill sites, as well as on small, medium, and large urban and suburban construction sites. Quick and easy adjustment of the thickness of the incoming material allows you to adjust the size of the output material from 0.5 to 5.5 inches. The HS57 is a heavy-duty mini-loader attachment that removes the collar and surrounding surface of concrete and asphalt manhole covers. The HS57 manhole saw was designed to get the job done by one operator and skid steer loader. The self-aligning hydraulic clamp attaches easily and securely to the collar. It provides a 57-inch diameter hole cut and lifts the collar and surrounding concrete asphalt layers once the cut is complete. The HS57 takes only 5 to 15 minutes to operate with one operator and a skid steer loader, drastically reducing labor hours and closing streets by as much as 75%. The cutting process is accomplished through the use of hydraulics, which creates downward pressure on the cutting drum rather than the weight of the mini loader. FMG's Tractor Trailed Grader, perfect for gravel road maintenance. The 4 blades easily loosen and level the hardened surface, while the wheel block applies the surface and consolidates the results. The joystick makes controlling the grader really simple and easy, which positively affects the overall result of work. By the way, the weight of the largest such machine is 6,000 kilograms, which makes it a powerful tool. Nemo is a fully hydrostatic beach cleaner operating on board, extremely maneuverable, and practical to use even in very confined spaces. It is controlled by 2 joysticks that allow you to adjust speed, direction, and working depth. The machine is equipped with a fixed blade that collects sand and debris at the required depth and width of 100 centimeters. They are fed to a vertically moving sieve, which allows the waste to be left in the collection container and the clean sand to be dumped out. Need a road right here and now? Fawn Trackway not only heard this challenge, but also offered the perfect solution. The Roadway Kit. With this kit, you can turn any dirt road into a sturdy artery capable of handling heavy machinery in hours. Composed of durable aluminum panels, it is easy to lay down and just as easy to dismantle, leaving no trace on the landscape. Perfect for quick response in emergencies or military needs. Who said good roads take years to build? Fawn Trackway proves otherwise. The Kaiser S12 series excavator, specially designed for work in inaccessible terrain, has the ability to drive as well as walk. In fact, it has a rotating platform with a cab, power plant, and boom equipment, placed on a lower frame with the original wheel travel. The machine has an operating weight of just over 10 tons and is equipped with a Perkins diesel engine with 175 horsepower. By the way, in extreme conditions, the wheels can be removed to ensure the stability of the equipment. Are you ready to soar to the heights of construction with innovative Manitex Vala cranes? These powerful mobile cranes, with lifting capacities from 2 to 40 tons, are available in electric, diesel, and hybrid drive, so you can always find the perfect option for any task. Whether you choose a wheeled model for easy maneuverability or a crawler version for stability on rough terrain, every Manitex Vala crane is ready to transform your workflow. With a fixed or swinging boom and many specialized settings, these cranes are designed to meet the unique and challenging requirements. Leveling the sandy zone on beaches is not an easy job. It is for this purpose that special technological machines have been created. How do they work? You have the opportunity to see a part of this process with your own eyes. Well, and modern technology can offer something a little more. What am I telling you? See for yourself. Meet the Biedenbach Boss Beast, an unrivaled Mercedes Actros 8x4 equipped with an Effort 2055 8S plus 6S HD cargo crane. This powerful vehicle combines strength and technological mastery, setting new standards in lifting operations. With 8 sections of the main boom and 6 sections of the extended boom, the crane can reach places others cannot. Thanks to advanced safety and control features, the Boss Beast is perfect for performing the most challenging tasks on a construction site. Think removing steel beads from solid tires must be difficult? With the Eagle International OTRD beater, you'll reconsider. This mighty machine quickly and effectively removes steel beads from tires, making the disposal process easier than ever. Imagine this. Huge tires that seem invincible succumb to this machine in minutes. Want to cut down on disposal time and effort? It's time to put the Eagle International OTRD beater to work and see how easy it can be to handle the tough tasks. You see a special attachment from Iron Baltic with a ball hitch, hand winch, roller, log rack with hanging chains, and flotation tires for ATVs. The machines are designed to haul large logs behind an ATV or RTV. The log dump truck can be used with or without a dolly. The front of the log is lifted up, and then the log is pulled behind, leaving one end on the ground. To reduce environmental impact and for long-distance towing, the cart can be used to suspend the rear of the log to act as a trailer. Ideal for thinning plantations and removing cleared trees whole. Here is the E-Dumper from E-Mining AG, the world's largest electric dump truck. With its enormous load capacity and fully electric engine, this giant doesn't just transport loads, it redefines heavy machinery. Imagine, it can carry up to 65 tons of cargo and work continuously thanks to a regenerative braking system that charges the battery during descent. Eco-friendly and powerful, the E-Dumper shows that sustainable technology and heavy industry are a perfect match. Who says excavators have to be boring? At Home Exhibition Menzie Muck 2024 will present not just a machine, but a true multi-terrain performer. Able to adapt to any terrain thanks to its unique articulated design, the Menzie Muck turns ordinary digging into a real show. Expect to see him dancing on slopes and juggling buckets like a pro. With his help, laying pipes or digging a foundation on uneven terrain is as easy as lifting a cup of coffee. The Okur Combi paving machine allows for bituminous binder placement, seal coating, lining, and adhesion, rough and fogging. It eliminates application difficulties associated with geographic and weather conditions, paver and gravel spreader incompatibility. It provides safer and better application in a very short time with fewer personnel. Spray widths can reach up to 14.4 feet thanks to computer-controlled telescopic arms. The Matterhorn Gothard Bahn vehicle is a whole system consisting of a passenger vehicle in coupled mode with a fire railway vehicle and an ambulance wagon. So at both ends of the Furka tunnel, 16 kilometers long, there will be a group of 2 vehicles and 1 van, which are ready to enter the tunnel 24/7 in case of emergency. The vehicles can move in either coupled or single mode, so no locomotive is required. This provides greater flexibility and significant cost savings. Max speed on the track is 50 kilometers per hour, and the superstructure is a special hermetic container, which allows the evacuation of up to 60 people in one trip. There are control posts on both sides of the vehicles, which allow for forward movement in both directions of the tunnel. This video shows Pollock's new 12-line ESS modular platform ESS trailer, used in a 2x4x8 beam configuration with beams. You can see how well the trailer behaves on the road, and how its features can be used to improve your operation. And it's all thanks to ESS, an electronic steering system that will allow you to steer all axles at the same time. It is designed to provide the optimum axle steering angle, according to the length or width of the trailer. The steering can be remotely controlled to increase the steering angle on tight corners or on the ground. Think you've seen everything agricultural machines can offer? Then meet the Trajan Optimal M1650 Storm, your new strategic partner in battling unwanted vegetation along forest edges and roadsides. With its unique ability to cut vegetation at any angle, this equipment provides exceptional flexibility in managing plant cover. High vertical clearance allows easy maneuvering. High vertical clearance allows easy maneuvering among various obstacles, with a fully hydraulic system ensuring reliable and precise operation. Forget about hammers and the good old manual labor. The Vermeer PD10R is a pile driver that does all the heavy lifting for you. This monster, with hundreds of horsepower, drives piles with such precision that even the most demanding engineers applaud. With it, building fences, foundations, or power lines becomes a breeze. Intrigued? Think of the Vermeer PD10R as your personal robot that never gets tired, never complains, and always does an excellent job. Speed up your mulching process with the L-Series mulching head from Lofness, specially designed for skid steers and compact track loaders, with a hydraulic flow rate of 15 to 35.9 gallons per minute. and weighing up to 10,300 pounds. This powerful tool features the battle axe rotor and an exclusive 2-stage cutting chamber, together providing excellent mulching. You are guaranteed the finest and most stable particles, making the work not only fast, but also efficient. You will be impressed by the off-road capability of the scissor elevators of the Pulseo generation. The axle transmission and all-wheel drive give them excellent off-road capability and exceptional off-road performance. The HS15E and HS18E scissor elevators can handle gradients of up to 45% and have high ground clearance. Therefore, they can work on steep slopes and are suitable for all situations. These machines are capable of traveling on any terrain, even on very rough terrain, and they have a high grip on the ground. The oscillating axle adjusts the position of the front wheels to uneven terrain and ensures continuous contact between the wheels and the ground. Airless honeycomb tires are highly durable, have good ground grip, and absorb shock. The Pilkmaster Evo wood chipper can be modified with additional equipment to the exact machine you need. The Pilkmaster Evo 36HC Lite is designed for efficient and easy operation. This makes it an excellent machine for collective use, for example. The body of the machine is designed to adjust to the size the user requires, ensuring ergonomics. The quiet chainsaw with an automatic lubrication system cuts wood efficiently. Thanks to the open box device, debris and waste wood is poured out of the mechanism. The option of hydraulic height adjustment of the splitting blade, which comes standard, ensures efficient and pleasant operation. The splitting power and speed of the Pilkmaster Evo 36 wood splitter are automatically adjusted according to the size and strength of the timber.